Since y'all turned 16 today, you'll receive your zodiac signs. Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Pisces. Yo, Devin, the test is today. Do you know which sign you want to get?
Yeah, I hope I get Pisces. I want to be able to control water.
Well, I want to be a Leo. I heard they're the strongest ones and can control fire. Devin, your mother and I talked today and we've decided that you have to circle B for every answer.
Dad, why would I do that?
Because our whole family's an air sign. Promise me you'll do it. Okay, class, now you'll take your zodiac test. Depending how you answer, you'll be assigned to a specific zodiac sign that fits your personality the best. Remember, every sign has a unique power, so answer carefully.
Where do I spend most of my time? By the ocean.
Hopefully I'll become one of the air signs. I want to have the power to control tornadoes. Well, I'm a Virgo, so I can control earthquakes. What about you, Devin?
Hopefully I get a water sign.
Did you hear Devin wants to be a water sign? Huh, good luck with that.
Why is that?
Because it's the weakest one. Students, test results are in. Everyone should receive their sign now.
And what happens if you don't get one?
Well, that's impossible. Now go to the gym for your results. Here's your results.
What?